Sup dude, it's 8-Bit Emerald, and so as you can see, this launcher from Chozy Achilles is separated into pieces. So I decided to do that because I'm gonna make a vlog about how to repair a broken spring, or should I say how to restore a broken spring, because yeah, it's kind of broken because it connects what part? This one right here for the spinny thingy right here. And yeah, you're gonna need these as well. Don't lose all the parts. So let's get to begin. And I repaired this launcher despite the spring is broken. So this is fully repaired, and I'm gonna show you. Oh my God, where did I put the? Oh yes, here. This is this part right here must be part of the spring of the launcher, if it's clear to see. Yeah, that's how I show you. And remember, I tried my best finding a way to cure or find the solution. This is the part for the spring, so can be bad, and be careful. If you mess up, then cut. Okay, so whatever you do, if you don't want to restart, then I'm going to show you how to do this. Step 1, you have to place this in. You have to place this in first, and then yeah, of course, that's how you do it. Step 2, whatever you do, make sure the length of the end is fine, like this, and then oh my God, I have to bend it. And yeah, bend it. This is simple. And whatever you do, if while repairing this, you have to be in a mature age, and you have to learn how to use tools. So I'm going to bend it just like this. If only I could reach. Crap. If only I could reach it like this. This is hard to do so. So there you have it. This part right here is bended. If I could focus on showing you this is bended. So if you want to bend the other way, then you have to do this. Like I'm gonna show you. Hold on a sec. Make sure it's holding like this, and then all you have to do is to bend like this. And yeah, to bend it, this is how it's gonna be for repairing this launcher. So yeah, it will help keep it in place. And there you go. This is the part I did. So I'm going to roll it. Hold on a sec. This is a perfect way how to mend a launcher. I'm gonna roll it. I'm gonna roll this thing off screen, okay? Okay guys, as you can see, we got it rolled in here. Once I found a video how to repair the launcher or put the spring back in the spinner. So I'll link in the description below where you can find the video how I found on how to fix the spring of the launcher. However, it's metal fight, not burst. It was released 2011. That video was released 2011 because it's metal. Because burst appeared 2015. So I'm gonna put this thing right in this. I'm gonna put it right in this part. However, I have to make it smaller, and then until it shrinks. And then what's next is to push in. Sorry, it might be off screen. And then all I did is to push it as firm as it is. Crap. Why did I bend it like crazy? Dang it. As you can see, this is how it's supposed to be. I just did it. And remember, don't bend the wire too much because it will be broken. You will not have a chance to repair it. So be careful. This is for purposes. This is for mature people who can repair the launcher like this. So the spring of the launcher, I have to secure it in place. Hold on a sec. So I'm gonna be showing you how to put it back. You have to push it and then boom. Wait a minute. This is the example, guys. Just like this. So I'm gonna do the opposite way just because it's the rules on how to repair the launcher. So hold on. Give me a sec, guys. Guys, you can see I have it right here, and this is what it would look like. This will hold it in place, and yeah, I'm sure this will do the trick. Now, time to put it in by aligning it the right way by doing this. So watch me close, and you notice this part right here must align here, so keep an eye on that. Remember to fit this in firmly. I'll do it off screen, don't worry. Okay guys, as you can see, this is what it would look like. Make sure that this line right here with the hole in it, the circle would be like here because of this arrow right here. And this is what it would look like when I connect. I simply place it right here, so it's kind of clear to see. I basically poke it in this middle line, this stroke right here of the spring, and then yeah, that's how it would look like to hold it in place. So now we're going to put back in. So according to the rules, you have to put it like this by placing this right here, this tile, this cap, this is the cap, this is the socket of it, and then push it in, and there you go, it's fixed. So there you have it. And yeah, it's spring loaded. That's the cure, guys. It is spring loaded. So now we're going to put it back to this right here. So this is what according to the video says. So according to the video, I can fix this spring. So whatever you do, make sure that these align here. They're in place. There's enough space in here, and yeah, make sure that this is aligned. Okay guys, keep an eye on that, and this will work. I'll do it off screen, guys. I'll put it off screen. And that's about it. I put the spring in, and I'm going to screw this back in. So put the base in here, and then time to screw it up. Hold on a sec, where's the base? Oh wait, before the base you have to put this string back in. This is the string of the launcher, and I'm going to put it right here, and there we go. Just basically put it here. There's the gold thing right here, put it there, and then make sure this part right here, the white part of the string, bends. Then place the cap in by, hold on a sec, make sure that the arrow right here is facing down. Make sure the arrow is downward and put it in. Keep an eye on it. So yeah, time to screw it back up. And what screws you're gonna need are the screws are small screws. So So yeah, have to screw it back up, put the screws in, and then start screwing like this. Screw it clockwise, and there you go. That's it, and that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. So I'm gonna put the bay back in place. And there we have it. That's it, folks. The bay launcher is put back in order. Oh wait. Okay. That was just my alarm. So it's working fine, guys. This is cool, and it'll take a long last. It'll take very long to do so. And by long, it means this will last long, for months or years. And however, if it's broken, then you have to do it again. So don't worry, guys, trust me, this is the best video for you to mend the spring of a spinner of the launcher. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get Achilles for a launch by saying 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh wait, let's try it again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Not again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Not again. Okay, and that's about it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Later, dudes.